Soil moisture indicator. Soil moisture indicator measures the volumetric water content in the soil. Efficient irrigation management practices save considerable amount of water. For this, devices like soil moisture indicator is essential to assess the status of soil moisture before scheduling irrigation. In most places, irrigation scheduling based on soil moisture is almost not in practice. This is due to the non-availability of easy-to-use, rugged, effective, and inexpensive soil moisture indicators. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a soil moisture indicator using Arduino. This is the connection diagram of our project. We have connected the positive terminals of red and green LED with the Arduino's pin number 11 and 10. Negative terminals of both the LEDs are connected to the ground pin of Arduino. Soil moisture sensor has three main pins: VCC, ground, and output. Connect the VCC pin with the 5-volt pin of Arduino, and ground pin with the ground pin of Arduino. Connect the output pin of soil moisture sensor with pin number 7 of Arduino. This is the code of our project. Sensor state is an integer type variable. It will be used in the program to store the status of input pin. Initially we have set its value to 0. Void setup is a function that we create at the top of each program. Inside the brackets is the code we want to run once, as soon as the program starts running. In this project, we will give high or low signals to the green and red LEDs connected at pin number 10 and 11, so we will make pin number 10 and 11 and output pins. We will read the status of the sensor connected at pin number 7, so we will make pin number 7 an input pin. Void loop. This function continues to execute the code written inside it over and over unless we reset the Arduino hardware board. Sensor state equals digital read 7. Digital read is a function which will read the status of pin number 7 and store its value in a variable sensor state. If sensor state value is low, then Arduino will give a high signal at its pin number 10, and green LED will turn on. At the same time, Arduino will give a low signal at its pin number 11, so red LED will turn off. It indicates that soil moisture is under limit. If sensor state value is high, then Arduino will give a high signal at its pin number 11, and red LED will turn on. At the same time, Arduino will give a low signal at its pin number 10, so green LED will turn off. It indicates that soil moisture is low. Now we will write this code on Arduino IDE compiler. After writing the code, we will save the project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Our code is now transferred to the hardware successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. We will take a 1 kilo ohm resistor and a red LED. We will solder one end of the resistor with the positive terminal of red LED. Now we will connect a red wire with the resistor and black wire with the cathode or negative terminal of the LED. Cover the joints with insulation tape to avoid any shorting between its two terminals. Similarly, we will take a 1 kilo ohm resistor and a green LED. We will solder the resistor with the positive terminal of green LED. Now we will connect a red wire with the resistor, and black wire with the cathode, or negative terminal of the LED. Cover the joints with insulation tape, to avoid any shorting between its two terminals. Now connect red, black, and yellow wires, at VCC, ground, and signal pins of sensor respectively. Now connect the red wire of red LED with pin number 11, and red wire of green LED with pin number 10 of Arduino. Connect the black wire of both the LEDs with the ground pin of Arduino. Connect the red wire of sensor, with the 5-volt pin, black wire with the ground pin, and yellow wire with pin number 7 of Arduino. Now we will power up our project, and test its functionality. We will use a glass with dry soil. We will insert our sensor inside the glass. Since the soil is dry, red LED is on. When we put some water inside the glass, then green LED turns on. It indicates that soil is moist. Our circuit is working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video, and learned something from it. For any help or to clear your doubts regarding your project, you can contact us on our student care number, 7007957715. To buy the items used in this project, you can visit our website, www.erroltech.com. You can give us the orders on WhatsApp also. Thank you so much.